Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add a new user account on your Windows 11 computer, specifically a local user account that's not tied to a Microsoft account. So this is going to be a very straightforward process, guys. We're going to jump right into it. So this is going to be different than a lot of the methods that you probably have seen in the past. I am really not a big fan of how it's become more challenging to create a new user. They really push the Microsoft account on everybody, and it seems very convoluted, and it really seems disingenuous to me not to present a very clear and easy way on how to do this. So you're probably going to be doing it from here on out whenever you create new user accounts. And this will work for Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10 computers too. It's, in my opinion, a much easier way than how it's set up that most people would be doing it. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the magnifying glass. Type in computer management. Best results should come back with computer management. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to go ahead and select where it says local users and groups. On the right side, double click on the users folder, and then right click in a blank area on the right panel here. Select new user. At this point, enter in the username of the new account. You can call it whatever you want, doesn't matter to me. If you want to enter in a password, you can. And if you want to have users must change a password at the next login, you can uncheck that if you want. You can have password never expires as well. And again, some customization options in here. Select create. And that's all you got to do. So if we actually were to close out of here at this point, you can see that a new account has been created. And if we sign out of our current user account, you see there's a new user account that we can sign into. One further thing I do want to mention is that you can set up the privileges you want to have for that user account. So if you want to have them be an administrator versus a standard account, I don't believe I actually showed that, so we can cover that. So we're going to go back into computer management here, and you're able to change these account settings once you've already created the account. Doesn't matter. So we're just going to go ahead and open this back up. We're going to go underneath local users and groups, go back in the users folder. You see the new account we created was John Smith. Go ahead and double click on that. And if you select member of, so select the member of tab, and you can see they're not an administrator. So in order to create an administrator privilege for them, you just would select add. So you want to go select advanced, select find now, and then just select administrators here. Select OK, select OK again, and they are an administrator now. And then once you're done with that, select apply and OK, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.